Wow, if you're watching this video, it probably means you watched the first two. Good for you. You're amazing. Okay, so here's my next example, and this is when you have a horizontal line. So I just picked a couple of spots. I said it can go through there and it can go through there. So I found the slope between -5, -4, and 0, -4. So my rise is 0, my run is 5. So that means my slope is 0. Next, I find my y-intercept, and I can see it's here at 0, -4. So my equation with my blank symbol there is y blank 0x minus 4. And I could probably write that even nicer as just y blank -4. That's the simplified. So I just need to plug it in, and I'm going to use 0, 0, but there's no x in there. So all I'm really going to write is 0 blank -4. And what would make that true, guys? Well, 0 is greater than -4. So I need to use a greater than symbol in this. So to put my final answer together, I just put y greater than -4. Boom. That's my answer. Let's do this next one here. So I could see this goes through 0, 5 right there. And I didn't pick the x-intercept. I picked this right here, 2, -1. So what's the slope there? Well, my rise from -5 up to -1, I had to rise up 4 to get that. And then my run is from 0 to 2. So that means that my run was 2. So my slope is 4 over 2, and that equals 2. My y-intercept, as you can see, is here at -5. So my y-intercept is 0, -5. And that means I can put my whole equation together, but of course with my blank symbol. So I'm going to put y blank 2x minus 5. And now I'm ready to test for shading. I'm going to use 0, 0 because I can and I love it. And I see 0, 0 is on the shaded side. I also see this is a dash line, so it's going to be strictly less than or strictly greater than. So I'm going to write y. My y is 0. I'm replacing it, and I'm going to put 2 times 0 minus 5. And let us simplify that. So we're going to have, well, 2 times 0 is 0, so all we have is a -5. How do they compare? Well, 0 is bigger than -5, so I need to use a greater than symbol. So what's going to happen is I get this equation here, but I am going to replace it. Replace the little box thing with greater than. And that's my answer. Wonder if I have time to do one more example on this video. Let's try it. Okay, so this one is going to have the equality because it's a solid line. And let's see what's our slope. So we're rising from 0 to 3. So we're going up 3. And then we're going from -1 to 0. That's over 1. So my slope is 3 over 1. And we'll just write that as a 3. Now my y-intercept is right here. That's at 2. So I have a y-intercept at 0, 2. So what does this mean that my equation without the equation symbol is? It's going to be y blank 3x plus 2. So now I want to test for shading. I'm going to use my favorite test point, 0, 0. And I'm just going to plug this in. So I'm going to say, let's say 0, and 2. That's all I'm going to have. Well, 0 is less than 2. So your answer is y is less than or equals to 3x plus 2. And that is the end of my video because I'm not going to upgrade this to more. Hope you enjoyed it, everybody.